Hi guys, today I partnered with Premium Lace Wigs to bring you this banging wig and show you guys styling options for whenever you get sick of your bangs, especially because it's kind of hot this summer. So inside the box, I do have a pamphlet here that has all the information about the hair, the company, where you can find them on social media, stalk them, ask them questions, but I will also have all the information about everything I show you in the description box. Inside the organza bag, there is a toiletries bag, just a basic one, there's nothing in there. Also, bobby pins, I'm gonna need those in the future, trust me. As well as a rat tail comb, which is great for styling. And I have all the information about the hair right here. Brazilian virgin hair, 18 inches long, body wave with a bang, 130% density, natural color. It does have some baby hairs and it's bleached along the hairline. I'm gonna start in the back and cut my lace so that it doesn't show, just in case, because you know, if you don't cut it, your hair might show things that people don't need to see. And this is the adjustable band. It's like a bra strap. You guys have probably seen this before. If you're new to wigs, it helps you secure your unit. And there is where the parting is for the bang. And you can see there's a lot of parting space if you want to really work with the unit, which is great. And I am spraying with my Sally Hansen airbrush legs. I don't like this, it's too light, so I'm gonna look for something darker. And I'm pulling my hair back so that I can cut the lace in the front. And here we go. I'm going to just basically cut it. Nothing special to how I cut it, but I will say this, they do have the hairline a little bit less dense than the remainder of the hair. At the hairline you have single knotted hair, and the remainder of the wig where the lace is double knotted, so it can be fuller. And the single knots just make it so that you can have a natural hairline if you choose to have your hair pulled back or, you know, just out of the way so that you can have a more natural look. And I'm gonna put this wig on. So flip it back, put that comb in the back underneath, and my skin actually looks pretty decent considering all the sugar I've been eating and how bad it's been because of the weather. But I am going to go ahead and apply some got2b glued gel along my hairline. You can see it's right in front of my hairline. I just don't want to deal with taking it off my hair. And I'm putting some freeze spray as well right in front of my hairline. Putting the wig on at the very top first and sliding it back. It's like I overshoot, then I slide back, and that makes it secure better. It's like it just grips in between those holes, grids of the lace. And I'm applying it, of course, on the sides as well. Then using my hair dryer to just secure it and have it all in place. So I'm going to tuck hair behind my ears, get some hair out, make sure everything's good, and I'm curling the bangs with my one and only curling iron. And we are going to bear down so that the bangs can actually fall down. So I have a lot of bang here. You can see the bangs are going past my eyes, so I will have to cut them because they're really long, which is great actually because you need long bangs just in case you have a big forehead like I do. I have a pretty sizable forehead, so I just cut them a little bit and made sure the sides were lower than the middle. Now I'm straightening my hair with my one and only curling iron, and this is what we're looking like. I think it looks really good, and my hair is an African hair threading sections. You guys need to see that video where I did my reversion test and I showed you a detailed way of how I do my African hair threading, more updated routine, just, you know, briefly. But check that out so you can know what's going on under here. It's very bulky, but at the same time, it's cute. So I wanted to change it. I wanted to switch it up because it is hot and I really wanted something different. I wanted to see if I have styling options. And I did this before with another company with shorter hair with curls and bangs. So check that out if you want to see different hairstyles from what I'm going to show you. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my curling iron again and curl my hair going back. This is so that I can have a nice little side part with no interference And I'm brushing down with a boar bristle brush. I think it's a fake, honestly, you guys. It was so cheap. There's no way it's real. And what I did also was tuck some of my hair in there so it's kind of going together with the long hair. And I'm going to blot my face because I'm really shiny. Like, it's so hot, you guys. I don't understand. Why do I get like this? Anyway, we're gonna move right along and bear down and make sure the hair is falling where it needs to fall. Make sure that part is all the way exposed because I need to put makeup in there. And I am using my Sephora concealer. It was so cheap and it's perfect. It's the perfect shade. Putting concealer then putting powder is ideal, but today I'm just putting concealer and rubbing it around and making sure it sits nicely. And that's all that I'm doing. You can go in again with a hot comb and fix it so it's better. What I also did, however, is very important. Put a bobby pin down there so that the hair in the front doesn't, you know, fall out of place. And this is a nice way to wear your hair to the side if your hair is getting annoying or if you just want something a little bit different. So you do have options with this. You can also tie a ponytail, tie it up, do whatever you want. You do have options. For those of you who don't like hair in your face, if you want just a little bit of hair in your face, you can turn it into a side bang, and it's a nice classic, classy look. So this is what we're looking like right here. Now, before I leave you guys, I do like that the density is 130% because this is long hair and you can get hot fast. So it's not too thick. It doesn't look unnatural. It's like the density of somebody's real hair, not too wiggy, even though it's obviously a wig. So thank you so much for watching. As always, you guys, I'll have all the information down in the description box if you want to check Premium Lace Wigs out. And I will talk to you in my next video.